All right, YouTube, what's going on? What's going on with myself? I don't know, but y'all know what's up. Hey, yo, it says, safe mode. Connect the DualShock 4 using the USB cable, period, and then press the PS, and then press the PS button. I was about to say ps5. I was like, what the heck? Hey, yo. Okay, so that's what I'm about to do now. Put my phone down real quick so I can focus. No distractions. Plug up my ps4 controller. Okay. Alright, I plugged it up. And now it was on yellow. And then it says press the home button. Okay, so now I know I gotta go to 5, period, 5-point rebuild database. And then look, it's on 5, rebuild database, right? Okay. Everything I need to do on camera. All right. Circle for enter. All right. The database, all right, hold on. The database will be rebuilt. It might take a few hours to rebuild the database. Cancel or okay? No cancel, but yes, okay. Rebuilding database, remaining time 35 seconds. Yep, it shouldn't take that long. The YouTuber was right. Thank God I didn't have to wait that long. I don't have the patience. I don't have the time for it. I just don't have the time, period. For real. I'm saying. So hopefully it should like make my PS4 a little bit better, smoother and quicker and everything else. Like, that's all I had to do just by watching a YouTube tutorial video. So that didn't take long. Let's see what it looks like. All right. All right, it's rebuilding. That's what it's doing. Look, I got a lot of games, so hold on. It's getting faster. It was slow, but now it's getting faster. Look, Dang. Getting fast, quicker, speeding up. It's loading up my games like that. So I think it's working. It's working. Now my PS4, when I'm playing a game, a PS4 game I'm playing, or my additional game I bought and downloaded, I'm playing that. It should be faster. You know what I'm saying? It should be better. You know, no delays, no lags. Really smooth now. So it's just take a few minutes to do this. 'Cause I got a lot of games, you know. Hey yo. Alright, I think it's done. I think that's just the way it is on the when you scroll down to your games. Like I think that's how it does when you do that. Yeah. And my games is still there. So I think it's a lot faster now. So I'm gonna try out some games. Alright, it's done. Alright, so now I'm about to play me a game. I'm playing the game, relaxing and chilling and relaxing. I'm playing.